Hey guys, I am going to show you how to use my digital planners and the digital templates within them. Every few days I get a question by email or messages on Etsy or my website asking how to use these templates and how to get them throughout the Goodnotes planners. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. And this will apply to all of my planners. I'm going to show you here on my newest 1 month planner here. This is my Christmas theme one. It has some mild Christmas colors. I wanted to do it that way so that you could use it throughout the year if you like it. I didn't want to make it overly Christmas. So the way this works is when you get the 1 month planner, this also works in my notebooks. The templates might be a little different, but it's the same system. So I'm going to go here to, let's say it's the first of the month. And I fill out my daily, but I need more space for the first of the month, or I want to use one of the templates. So I will go here to the templates and something important here. You need to make sure you are not in writing or edit mode. You go up here and it looks the same. It should look the same on your tablet. You go up here and you click this. So now you can no longer write or edit or type. This is just so you can use the hyperlinks. So again, I'm gonna go here. I can go to the extra templates tab here, or this goes to the same place, this yellow tab up here. So I'm gonna go to the templates and let's say I wanna do a daily wellness page behind my daily page. I'm gonna go to this and I'm not gonna use this one. I wanna keep all of the original templates blank so that I can come back and grab a copy whenever I need to. So I'm going to go up here to the 3 dots and I'm going to do copy page. Then I'm going to go to the first or wherever it is that I need to put this template. And then I'm going to go to this plus, then I'm going to do paste page. So now if say we're here at the home and I go to the first, it's going to take me to my original daily page. But then after that is that page that I pasted in there. So it's between the 1 and the 2. And I can put as many things as I want behind this number 1. I might want to do some other stuff. I might need to grocery shop. Or I might want to grab a meal plan and groceries. Go up here, go to copy. And I might want to put this behind my weekly page. So here is my week 1. I might want to paste it in here so that I know when I'm doing my week 1 planning, I can go to the next page and it will have my meal plan. And I can make sure to write the week of so that it matches up here. And I can also get to the weeks by clicking here on these weeks. So I could get to week 1, get to my meal plan. And that goes with these 3 tabs here too. That's where you're going to use a lot of these templates. So I give you 3 custom sections here that you can do whatever you want with. Or maybe there's 3 things that you know you're going to use a lot of. These 3 correspond with these 3, but I wanted to give you a place to write it. So let's say you know that you are going to do daily gratitudes every single day and you don't want to put it behind your daily pages. You can grab one here, copy it, and then you can paste it there. And then you can just keep copying and pasting this page. You can label right here. You could put daily gratitude. And then here, so you can remember what it is, you can go ahead and label it. And we were gonna do a daily gratitude section. That way you have quick access to it. So you can get to it from here or here. And then you can label this however you want. You can add decorations, free stickers from my sticker shop. I have a whole freebie section of stickers that you can decorate these with. So then what I would do is each day I would just come here, copy and paste this, and then clear the page. Or you can go back to the templates and grab one. Keep in mind, I do put a dotted page in between each of these sections just because I wanted to give you something to start with. So these templates, I have blank lined grid dot, daily gratitude, weekly self-care, meal plan, daily wellness, habit tracker, vision board. And I do this so that you use it as you need it. I didn't want to put these throughout every day, every week, every month in case there's something you don't want. You might want to use this vision board one month, but you might not want to use it the next month. Let me know if you have any questions about the 1 month planners. Like I said, it's the same way. You can do the same thing in my digital notebooks. You copy them and you put it behind the sections, and you can essentially make this notebook or these planners as long as you need. You can add as much as you need. You can use as little as you want from month to month. That's why I like doing the monthly planners, so that you can change it based on what you need for that month. You might have a busier month and need a lot more templates, a lot more space. So let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what you want to see for freebies, for stickers, notebooks, planners, stuff like that, and reach out if I can help in any way. Thanks.